holidays, it's me, Jordan, and welcome to the 7th night of Hanukkah. And we are getting super geeky awesome this far. Now, here is what I got for this night of Hanukkah. You guys are gonna freak out. What I got here is 1,000 incredible costume / cosplay ideas. Now, I've always loved to cosplay ever since I was young, and I still like to cosplay as my favorite characters now. Now, in this book, it's filled with a lot of ideas where if you want to cosplay as an anime character or like a Disney character or a superhero or any of the such or something from Game of Thrones or Harry Potter, this book has it all. I could just look inside this book and think of who I should cosplay since, I'm getting into that whole habit because really, I never really want to cosplay for contests or any of this stuff. I only like to cosplay just for fun. And I know I'm chubby, but I don't care. I like to cosplay for fun, and that's all that matters, okay? So this is what I got, and I'm glad I got this, so then I can look up and think of who to cosplay. So yeah. And the other book I got is how to, extreme face painting and 50 friendly fiendish step-by-step, how to make face painting super awesome. Now, if you remember seeing me as the witch or something, this book right here, this will help me, make my face painting a lot more advanced, and they're all tutorials, book tutorials. Isn't this amazing? Yeah. So then I would take my time to turn my face painting into a work of art and make sure to powder that stuff all over my face so it won't freaking melt. So yeah, cuz really it's hard to put makeup all over and all of a sudden it melts, but I hope I will learn a lot from this book. So these are what I got, and I hope I will look more into these books. So I'll cosplay in a awesomer, better way. So that's all I got, and I can't wait to see you on the 8th night of Hanukkah. So catch me later. I hope you guys are getting excited for the 8th night of Hanukkah. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy Hanukkah. Bye!